Farming is not a profession, it is a way of living for us, and it is a way that you can put something on the table at the end of the day. I'm now here about 40 years. I started farming with my father in 1983. We started off planting of Newlands in the late 80s, and over the years it proved to be a very good cultivar for us. From 2020 we planted a few hectares of Octobrina, which will slot very good in before Newlands. It's time for me to go on, and luckily I have a son-in-law and my daughter willing to come and help me on the farm.
I've been here since 2022 and it's been an incredible learning experience. Growing citrus in this area has its challenges, but it's also very rewarding. Working alongside my father-in-law, I started to appreciate the values that drives us. Hard work, good quality fruits, and a strong partnership like the one we have with MDF.
We've been doing business with MDF about 20 years. We're happy with the service that we get from them and the family atmosphere that we have. We share each other's beliefs.